Okay guys, this is probably going to be not really good demo, but I'm trying my best to kind of show you guys. So this is what I was telling you guys about, is that polygel. And I'm attempt to do, I put a tip on here and I'm going to attempt to fill it with the polygel. This kit I got off of eBay, and I would say that it is this kit is $17, and it comes with 3 brushes. This is an applicator that picks up the polygel. It comes with the nail slip, and it also comes with a top coat, top coat, and a base coat, and these nail forms, but I'm not going to use a form. So my phone don't have that much memory, so now that I have introduced you guys to everything, I'm going to stop it, and then I'm going to go into the process of dipping it into the slip and starting the process. So you can get all of this on eBay. And I also found some cute gel polish also on eBay. So the next video will be me getting into trying to do it. All right.